Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil's Tech Bite. In today's video, we will learn how to apply Countif in Excel easily. So let's start. As you can see here, we have a set of data where out of that we wanted to find out the values where we only two digits are there. So basically greater than or equals to 10 and less than and equal to 99 will be considered as two digits. So let's see how we can find out the total number of two-digit values. So you need to simply write countif function, countifs. So first of all, we will select the range. In our case, the range is our set of data. Now, comma. Now we will give the first criteria, which is quotes greater than or equals to 10, quotes close, comma. Now again, we have to give the same range because we have to give two conditions. One is greater than or equal to 10, and the other criteria will be our codes less than or equals to 99, quotes close, bracket close, enter. So as you can see in our case, 26 came. Now let's see whether we have 26 values or not. So first of all, these are 15 and 5 became 20 and the rest 6. So as you can see, our count came as 26, which is matching with our manual calculation. That's how you can play with count. If as per your criteria, you can give the criteria accordingly. Thank you very much. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.